Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, Motorola back in 2021 with a new 5G smartphone. It's named the Motorola Edge S, and it's come with the Snapdragon 870 and a triple back camera. As promised, the Motorola Edge S is now officially on sale in China. This is the first phone to claim the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 870. It's built on 7nm process, has an 8-core processor with a 1 Cortex A78 core running at the highest in smartphone 3.2 GHz. The Motorola Edge S naturally has 5G built in. You can configure the phone with either 6, 8 gigs of RAM and 128 and 256 gigabytes of UFS 3.1 storage. As well, the display is 6.7 inch in 90 Hz IPS LCD, 2520 by 1080p resolution, and offer HDR10 support. It has a 2 camera built into 16 megapixel main, 8 megapixel ultra wide. The fingerprint scanner is embedded into the frame of the phone. On the rear, there are a 4 sensor in a total, a 64 megapixel main camera with f1.7 aperture and a support of 6K video capture at 30 fps, and a 16 megapixel ultra wide with a face detected autofocus, a 2 megapixel fixed focused deep sensor, and a TUF sensor as well. The phone is powered by the 5000 mAh battery with the support of 20-volt charging with the provided 20-volt adapter in the box. The Motorola Edge S is IP52 splash proof, has a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a come with a charger, pre-installed screen protector, cable, and cases. Now let's talking about the Motorola Edge S. Goes on a pre-order in China today and will begin shipping on a February 3. The phone come in a amber light color. It's priced Chinese yuan 1999, equal to €250 for 6 gigabytes and 128 gigabyte model, and for a 8 gigabytes and 128 gigabytes price is Chinese yuan 2399, equal to €305. The bigger version 8 gigabytes and 256 gigabytes price is €350. This is the price and latest Motorola Edge S. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this new Motorola smartphone, and also like the video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll catch you later in my next video. Peace out and bye.